Acute pancreatitis is a condition where the pancreas becomes inflamed, swollen, over a short period of time. The pancreas is a small organ, located behind the stomach, that helps with digestion. Most people with acute pancreatitis start to feel better within about a week and have no further problems. But some people with severe acute pancreatitis can go on to develop serious complications. In addition, some people who have chronic pancreatitis may show inflammation on diagnostic imaging scans, but they may show no symptoms. Acute pancreatitis symptoms. According to a study, the following are the common symptoms of acute pancreatitis. 1. Pain that starts slowly or suddenly in the upper abdomen. 2. Pain that may spread to the back. 3. Mild or severe pain. 4. Pain that may last for several days. 5. Fever. 6. Nausea. 7. Vomiting. 8. Swollen or tender abdomen. 9. Fast heart rate. The following are the common symptoms of chronic pancreatitis. 1. Pain in the upper abdomen or no pain at all. 2. Pain that may become worse after eating. 3. Diarrhea. 4. Weight loss. People who have chronic pancreatitis may also experience diarrhea, which is fatty stools that give off a foul odor. Treatment for acute pancreatitis aims to help control the condition and manage any symptoms. This usually involves admission to the hospital. You may be given fluids directly into a vein, intravenous fluids. Pain relief, liquid food through a tube in your tummy, and oxygen through tubes in your nose.